Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is Euro IUD, so we are on 4 hours. So before that, let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh, currently it is 1:02 a.m. Monday 27th of July 2026 in EST. Coming back to the charts, starting nothing. We are going long. Okay, so this was your low, which has not been broken yet. Okay, so this is your low. This has been touched but not broken, so we have not made any new low. Okay, you see here, this is your support. It has been getting touched, wigged, but we have not created a new low yet. Okay, so I'm going long for now, and my take profit will be this EMI. Okay, so we'll enter at current price around 1.6300, and our exit will be around 6385 or something. So we're expecting 80 pips in this trade. So somewhere 80 pips, that's my expectation. Obviously I can exit early if I want to. So we're gonna go long in Euro IUD and exit at this EMA, and when that happens, I'll come back and record the take profit video. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit videos. So Euro IUD 4-hour time frame. Let's check the date and the time first. So I'm gonna refresh. Currently it is 2:45 a.m. Wednesday 29th of July 2026 in EST. This take profit was booked, let's say, how many hours ago? 5 hours ago. Okay, so this hit my take profit 5 hours ago, and I'm recording the video now. I have no idea when did I enter the trade. Okay, so go and check the date when I recorded the first part of the video. Maybe I entered here, I have no clue. I can't remember anything. Okay, so we made triple bottom and then we went up. So I took my profits at the EMI. Let me show you. We entered at 6299 and we were out at 6378. So we made exactly 78 pips in this trade, Euro IUD. You can see this was closed just today. This is the date when the trade was closed, not taken. So again, I have no idea when did I take the trade. Maybe last week. I don't know. I can't remember anything. Yeah. I can't remember everything. Okay. I take trades, too many trades. I record these videos as well. I do analysis as well. There's too much in my mind. I can't remember the exact date and time. That's why I record the timestamp in the beginning of the video. Okay. Anyway, so let's get back. So we made 78 pips in this Euro IUD. And if you want these trades yourself before they actually hit the take profit, then you can go and join the program which says Swing Like a Pro. You will find the link below my video, I guess, somewhere. Go and find that link, join the program, help yourself, otherwise nobody else will. You got to help yourself. Get into the program so that you can take these trades yourself. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.